Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 10th, 2025, and we're diving into McDonald's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. McDonald's, the global food service giant, has just released its earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their sales performance to strategic initiatives like accelerating the arches.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. McDonald's reported revenues of $6.39 billion for the fourth quarter. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Well, the revenues were essentially flat compared to last year at $6.39 billion. However, operating income saw a slight increase of 2% to $2.87 billion, indicating some operational efficiencies. Net income, on the other hand, decreased by 1% to $2 billion, which is reflected in their EPS of $2.80, unchanged from the previous year.
What factors contributed to these results?
The flat revenue is largely due to mixed performance across different markets. While the U.S. saw a decline in comparable sales, international markets like the Middle East and Japan showed positive growth. Additionally, restructuring charges and other expenses impacted their net income.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 2.84 cents for McDonald's. How did the actual results compare?
The adjusted EPS came in slightly below expectations at $2.83, which is a 4% decrease from the previous year. This was based on a survey of 11 analysts. The slight miss can be attributed to the restructuring charges and other one-time expenses that impacted their bottom line.
Does this slight miss indicate any underlying issues?
Not necessarily. While the EPS was slightly below expectations, McDonald's is undergoing significant strategic changes, which can temporarily affect earnings. Their focus on loyalty programs and market share growth suggests a positive long-term outlook.
Strategic initiatives and market performance. McDonald's has been focusing on strategic initiatives like accelerating the arches. How is this impacting their market performance?
The Accelerating the Arches strategy is proving effective, particularly in expanding their loyalty program. Sales to loyalty members reached $30 billion for the year, with 175 million active users. This focus on customer engagement is crucial for maintaining and growing market share, as highlighted by CEO Kempczinski.
What about their comparable sales performance?
Global comparable sales increased by 0.4%, with notable growth in the international developmental licensed market segment, which saw a 4.1% increase. This indicates strong performance in regions like the Middle East and Japan, despite challenges in the U.S. market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies and McDonald's future outlook. What are the key takeaways here?
McDonald's managed to increase its operating income by 2%, despite incurring $74 million in restructuring charges. This shows their ability to streamline operations effectively. Looking ahead, the company is focusing on menu innovation and culturally relevant marketing, which are expected to drive growth.
How does the leadership view these results?
CEO Kempczinski emphasized the importance of market share growth and customer focus. He believes that their strategic initiatives, including exciting menu innovations, will continue to resonate with customers and drive future success.
Key takeaways. In summary, McDonald's has shown resilience in a challenging market environment with a focus on strategic growth and customer engagement. Their revenues stood at $6.39 billion, and while the adjusted EPS of $2.83 slightly missed the forecast, their loyalty sales and operational efficiencies are promising.
Absolutely. McDonald's is well positioned for future growth, thanks to their strategic initiatives and focus on market share. Investors should keep an eye on their continued efforts in menu innovation and customer engagement.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on McDonald's performance in the comments below.